OPPO has launched its new smartphone under K series in India called OPPO K13, with 5G support. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The OPPO K13 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the OPPO K13 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.85 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts SUPERVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. And it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.21 by 76.13 by 8.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OPPO K13 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 25th, in icy purple and prism black color options. So, what do you guys think of this OPPO K13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSoul Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.